Gundulu?
Oh, now she wants with her nickname. So how old is she?
14 months.
14 months.
Yes.
Yeah. And how old is Amit? Amit? Hi Amit.
Amit?
How old is Amit?
Vanna?
How old are you? I am 14 years old.
14 years old.
Very good.
Hi. 14 months and 14 years.
Yes, 14
She's also laughing now. She's happy today.
Gundulu, hi!
गुड मॉर्निंग दोस्तों। कल हम पहुंचे मनदीप भाई के यहाँ, इनके होम स्टे में हम स्टे कर रहे थे। और कल हमने रात को हम गए फार्मिंग के लिए, शाम को गए थे के लिए, आते आते रात हो गई थी। और उसके बाद हमने फिर लोकल खाना खाया, आपको सब कुछ भी दिखाया।
Hi Nivika.
Hello. Gundulu is our
Gundulu is a nickname.
Small
Yeah.
name, nickname, yeah.
Gundulu?
Gundulu.
Gundulu?
And what is the name of your wife?
Bhavna.
Bhavna.
Bhavna? Oh.
Hi Bhavna. What are you making for us?
this roasted corn.
Uh-huh.
Vanilla latte.
Wow.
Papa.
It smells really good on this thing, no?
Yes,
On chula.
Yeah.
On gas or stove it is not,
No,
you know, that flavor is not
exactly,
there.
yeah.
Yeah.
Do you call something
All the
here,
food
like,
that you are eating, no, we cooked in
Okay.
fire only.
Ah.
Not the
Okay.
vegetables.
Inside also, in the other kitchen also.
Yeah.
You
Yeah,
have-
we have.
Ah.
We have 2 fireplaces.
Okay.
Chula.
I thought there you have those LPG cylinders or something.
We have that also, but like
Uh-huh.
mostly we cook on the fire only.
Okay. Good.
We plant trees, we
Uh-huh.
cut trees, but we plant. If we cut one tree, then we plant more, like 10 trees.
That's necessity.
Yeah.
वैसे नॉर्मली ज़्यादातर यहाँ पे रोटी बनती नहीं है, लेकिन यहाँ पे इन्होंने हमारे लिए स्पेशली चपाती बनाई है और साथ में सब्जी भी।
Me too, bhai.
Yeah. It's just coming, yeah.
Yeah. This is day one. Okay.
Yeah, no issue. No, it was
I'll keep-
really very tasty.
Egg.
Yeah, I want that.
Okay.
Please.
You want omelette? Pose what?
Omelette.
Omelette?
If you have a half fried, you do half fry, like
What?
one side, sunny side up.
Omelette with tomato, onion, like that?
No.
Or just simple break it?
Just simple break it.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
तो अब अगला दिन स्टार्ट हो गया है। अभी का प्लान है अब थोड़ा सा और बातचीत करते हैं मनदीप भाई से और उनसे जानते हैं कि कैसे उन्होंने ये होम स्टे शुरू किया, कैसे उनके साथ सब कुछ बीता और आज तक की उनकी जो थोड़ी बहुत कहानी है ब्रीफ में आपको मैं बताऊंगा। तो अभी बस ब्रेकफास्ट का इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं, ब्रेकफास्ट करते हैं, फिर मनदीप भाई से और बहुत सी बातें करते हैं।
Best way to drink coffee.
थैंक यू। You don't drink this?
I drink. Every day we drink.
Oh,
It's very healthy.
healthy
Because we are
thing.
in fruit diet, right?
Yeah. Healthy smoothie every day.
Yes.
I think it will be enough for breakfast. I don't know.
If somebody is on dieting, then this is good.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, so many, even the vegetables are mixed. Like
Yeah.
oki, you know,
Mm-hmm.
that one,
Mm-hmm.
and mango.
Yeah.
She put some dry fruits also,
Mm-hmm.
dry nuts.
Yeah. कौन सा अचार है ये? लपसी? आम का आम का अचार। So with me I have Mandeep Da, so he is the owner and our host for today, and we'd like to ask Mandeep Da, like, how you started this place, how you came to Yang Yang, and tell
Yeah.
something about your story.
Actually, I stayed in Bangalore for 6-7 years.
Uh-huh.
So we got married.
Okay.
So after married,
And
Yeah.
how do you met in college or something, or working somewhere?
we planned it just like a casual friend, casual friend.
Uh-huh.
So we planned one trek.
Uh-huh.
So from there, yeah, we started. It's been like 8 years we were in love.
Uh-huh.
After that, we got married. So I was
Married.
in Bangalore.
Uh-huh.
So
You're
yeah.
working in IT sector? Some
No,
job?
I was working in poker.
Poker,
field,
okay,
yeah.
okay.
So after getting married, I can't go back. No. So we decided, let's do something about this place.
Okay.
So we used to travel actually.
Uh-huh.
So by traveling, and we used to host lots of people, like free travelers, and like we were in this couch surfing also.
And
we
this is
did.
hometown of your wife, Deepika,
Yes,
right?
yes, her hometown. Yeah.
it's hometown. And your
So
hometown is
my hometown is in Gangtok.
near to Gangtok.
Yes, yes.
Okay, that's good.
So this place was nobody was living here. So why not such a beautiful place?
Yeah.
Let's do something.
Yeah.
So yeah.
And all of this you
All-
made by yourself, like design is yours,
Yes,
and you
yes,
helped,
exactly,
you took help
yes,
with the
yes,
locals and
yes, yeah.
made this place.
All locals, carpenters, all local people only. Yeah.
So, and firstly, you made the building in which you are living right now, or the kitchen side, the other corner. Firstly, that building was made.
Firstly, that cottage was made.
The first one.
Yeah, that and which you guys are living.
Okay.
That cottage was there.
Okay. At that
Yeah.
time, you were living in the place.
We were living. I was living in Gangtok. She was living here up in Yangon town. So yeah, now her brother and mom stays there, and we stays here.
And no, how long, like after you made this place, you started hosting people, travelers?
Yeah,
and
it's been like 3 years right now
Okay,
since we started.
Uh-huh.
But 1 year it was COVID, so 1 year we were totally closed, and now little we are like doing like this.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And do you do farming as well, right?
Yes. So farming, actually I was in cities life, So while we traveling, we used to love nature. So let's do something so beautiful place. So all the traveling experience, we are.
Okay.
फसल का बचा हुआ बचा फसल मक्का भी रहता है मक्का भी खाती है मक्का भूस से भूस हाँ भूस अच्छा अच्छा पिसा हुआ भूस कितना दिन में कितनी बार खाता है 2 बार 2 टाइम सुबह शाम
What all do you grow here? Like,
Yeah, we grow like corn, some vegetables for our own, and
all for yourself, right?
yes, all for ours and like for families, you know.
Yeah.
We are learning from villagers, farmers,
Okay.
yeah.
New techniques.
Yes,
and all.
whatever, however they grows, in which time, we follow them.
And you don't use any pesticides
No,
or any
no.
fertilizer. No, it's
Here,
purely
nobody.
organic.
Yes. In this village, at least, all 80% in Sikkim people, it's
We can
organic.
we can taste that as well. The food that is
Exactly,
really
yes,
fresh and
yes,
organic.
yeah.
We can taste that smell, that
Yeah.
fragrance. So
Yeah.
yeah, it's good. You have 2 kids, right?
I have one
One
daughter,
kid.
yeah, 14 months old.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now
And
she-
what about Amit?
Amit he stays up.
Okay, he stays up.
Okay, yeah. So his condition in home is not that good. So we decided to it's kind of adopting
Okay.
him.
Uh-huh.
So he will get a good education,
Okay.
like be
Okay.
a good human being in future.
Okay.
Otherwise, village kid they won't go schools.
Okay.
They stop.
He studies. Amit studies. Right?
Yes. He's in class 7.
You are available by the name of Dhuni Homestay here, right?
Yes. We are available by Dhuni Homestay.
Okay. And if people want to come to you and stay at your place, they can how they can book it? Should I give your number, or they can be booked using booking.com or something?
Yeah,
like
number is fine, I think.
Number is fine.
We are not in
Okay.
booking.com.
Okay.
We are in Instagram and Google.
Can you tell the handle of your Instagram?
Instagram.
Dhuni Homestay.
Dhuni Homestay, yes.
Okay,
Dhuni
I'll mention
Homestay.
it down here.
Yeah.
The Instagram handle of, and also they are available on Google. So Google Pay, you can check their reviews and everything. Baki, if someone comes there, you can show the local village life and they
Exactly.
can taste organic food, right?
Yes.
Things like that. Yeah.
Like culture of Sikkim,
And what are some places around if anybody wants to stay here for 2 days and go for some waterfall or
We have waterfalls.
Okay.
There's a trekking also for
Okay.
short treks,
Okay.
and for people 2-3 days the village walk. There's so many activities like you can do in village.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
And so you like all these things, meeting new people. And all, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah. So we hope that after this, this thing gets back to normal after COVID, more people will come and
Yes.
experience the local culture of Sikkim.
Exactly, yeah.
And you guys are very welcoming, and
Yeah.
everybody from Sikkim is very welcoming.
Yeah.
And the food you cook, or either Deepika cooks, so it's very very tasty and healthy.
Yeah. Thank you.
So yeah, thank you. We'll definitely come again, and I'll ask
Yeah.
my viewers also to sometimes, to if you are coming to Sikkim, then you must be here in Yang Yang and at Dhoni's homestay.
Yeah. Always welcome.
Thank you.
बहुत ही अच्छी बातें हुई मनदीप भाई के साथ, मनदीप दा के साथ, और इधर एक फार्मर भाई और मिले थे जो अपनी भैंसों को खाना वाना खिला रहे थे, तो उनसे थोड़ी बातचीत की। एक बहुत अलग ही अमेजिंग एक्सपीरियंस है ऐसे गांव में रहना और ट्रूली वही लाइफ एंजॉय करना। तो मुझे तो बहुत मज़ा आया। बस अभी तैयारी है, एक्चुअली यहाँ से गाड़ियाँ ऐसे बैक टू बैक नहीं मिलती कि कभी भी आप सड़क पे खड़े हो जाओ आपको गाड़ी मिल जाएगी। तो आजकल वैसे भी कोविड का टाइम है, तो आपको पहले बताना पड़ता है कि हमें यहाँ से यहाँ गाड़ी चाहिए। तो एक रात को पहले फ़ोन करके मनदीप दा ने हमारे लिए 2 टिकट रखवा दी थी, 2 सीट रखवा दी थी। अभी मेरा प्लान है यहाँ से जाने का वापस गैंगटॉक। तो थोड़ा और वेस्ट में जाना था, लेकिन मुझे सेकंड डोज लेना है अभी कोविड शील्ड का, तो उसके लिए वो मेरा गैंगटॉक में शेड्यूल हुआ है कल का। तो अभी का प्लान है अभी गैंगटॉक जाऊँगा, वापस दूसरी डोज लूँगा और फिर और चलेंगे वेस्ट सिक्किम की तरफ। तो अभी बस गाड़ी आने वाली है अगले 10 से 15 मिनट में, तो सामान उठाते हैं और गाड़ी लेते हैं।
On the Mayal craft,
Uh-huh.
we were helping these people,
Uh-huh.
but this is a gift for you. Okay.
Okay.
See, do you see this? Did you try this?
No, I never
This
tried
tonga.
this. Okay.
Maybe next time.
You
Okay,
are
when
going
you go.
West Sikkim, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
In Khichiperi.
Yeah, you can show them. Give me this.
Okay.
This is fermented millet beer kind of thing, alcohol.
And they make
beverage.
it there in West.
Yes, everywhere.
Everywhere.
Here also, but
Here also we used to make. We don't have it now, but
Okay.
if you wanted, we also forgot. We could have just got for you.
Okay. So basically, what's this
This
thing
is
is?
the millet,
This is millet, yeah.
and this is the bamboo thing, and this is the straw. Okay. You
Okay.
put water and then take a sip from
Ah,
this.
oh, wow.
But we're in a bigger thing. Okay.
Oh,
This
bigger
is
thing. Yeah,
just
this
a
is just like a
miniature.
Miniature. Okay. Wow.
fermented.
Thank you.
for you.
Thank you.
Now you're going to make him famous or what in the vlog?
Yeah, he will be. He'll be becoming famous.
Yeah, we are becoming
And
famous.
You too.
अमित हामी फेमस हुने चाहिँ
अमित फेमस होगा। और लोग आएंगे, अमित से बात करेंगे फिर, ठीक है। Let's go, बिट्टू भाई।
so much for you guys also.
Yeah.
Loving us.
We'll definitely coming again and sending more people here who like to see the village life and
Best wishes
actual,
for your future.
yeah.
even you people were good guests.
Yeah, trying to.
I'll also take one picture.
Okay. I'll be there. Okay, so bye bye.
Bye.
And say bye to the little one also sleeping. Okay, bye bye. Okay, let's go.
Hope to see you guys in the future.
Yes, for sure we'll be coming back.
Safe journey, guys.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye. Okay, bye.
So be in
मिलेंगे
touch.
वापस। See you again. Yes, for sure. ठीक है, पकड़ना। Okay.
Cool. Enjoy.
Bye bye.
Yeah.